Welcome to Villa Calma, which means calm, and you're gonna see why. It's not just these wonderful water features or the beautiful gardens or the fact it's set frontline golf in its own resort, but there's something about the house. It's all set on one level, over 1,370 square meters, and it has everything to be lost in, to stay in, to be calm in. Come on through. If you want to feel like James Bond, you have a biometric reader, and then we'll go on in. So as soon as you enter, you see all this light, triple height ceiling, you're surrounded by glass, and you have this beautiful courtyard and this stunning waterfall feature. So as we enter the living space, the first thing that hits you are these massive windows and incredible sea views, but not just sea views. You've got Gibraltar, you've got Africa, and of course, your frontline golf, so you see the golf as well. And then we move through this lovely flowing space that's all on one level to the luxury kitchen with Garganau appliances, so much storage you wouldn't even know what to do with it. All these stylish lights, the finish is literally unbeatable. And as we keep going and we keep the flow moving, you've got something called a living wall. These are actually real. So now we enter into the living room. And although it's a beautiful space, what makes it so much more special is having this indoor-outdoor living, this luxury chic, your own almost Buddhist garden where you can feel the Zen. And what's very interesting is in summer, this is completely north, which means it's one of the coolest places in the house. Another feature that I think is so beautiful is this double-sided fireplace. And now, my favorite part of the house. Because of course we're in Spain, we need to be outside enjoying the weather. This massive wraparound terrace, of course with these stunning views, is a bit special. It's been calculated so that in summer, this house is truly south, which means the sun is above you, so you're not baking inside. But in winter, the sun comes lower and just bathes the house in light. So with this stunning infinity pool and a garden set over 5.7 thousand square meters, frontline golf, you'd be forgiven for thinking that you were in a 5-star boutique hotel, but it's all yours. And in this chill-out area, you have your own toilet outside. You have a bar, a TV and sound system, even a fan to keep you cool in summer. And the cool thing is, guests don't even have to go through the house. They can come straight from the parking out to here. So what luxury contemporary home wouldn't be complete without an incredible master bedroom? And this one certainly doesn't disappoint. Huge walk-in closet, central bed, stunning views. But again, you have this amazing open plan Bali-style bathroom. The home also features a state-of-the-art gym with the best equipment. You also have a sauna. You also have a very large jacuzzi. But what I really, really love is this indoor Bali-style swimming pool with a chill-out area, mood lighting, 2 huge showers. I like to think of it as an oasis of peace. So just when you thought the best couldn't get any better, we come to the home cinema. It has electric seats, it has this chill-out bed. It also features cup holders that stay cool. But it also has a billiard table, it has a music system and air conditioning, and all of this is controlled with a state-of-the-art domotic system.